Hi guys, I'm gonna explain how to make the pattern. I don't have a printer, so I can put the pattern for download. First, take a sheet. I'm gonna draw the middle. Take the doll and put it exactly on the middle. Make marks where you want to be the pattern. The pattern is not exactly on the doll, but a little bit on the exterior. This will be the pattern. On the shoulders, again, not right on the shoulders, but a little bit higher. For the collar on the face, you can make it larger or not, depend as you like. If you can draw the pattern, take some round surface, anything that could help you. Here I need a nice curve. Now the pattern should be not so curved. This dot is higher than this. For the collar, draw a little bit. This will be the collar on the face. If you want a V, just draw 2 lines. If you want something curvy, you need to find another surface. This is a regular cap from a plastic bottle. And make the same for the arm line. It's too curved, so I make a line again here. You don't need to make the pattern on this side because you will bend the pattern on the middle, and when you cut it, you cut the both sides. Let's make the face. For the face, I want nice curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need something that I like, a surface that I like to make this curve. If I can't draw it with my hand, I take the tape, I bend it a little bit, not too much. You can use any cap from a bottle cream or a jar. I need to make a curved surface if I can draw it with my hand. Also, when I draw, I can draw the perfect shape. Is easily for me to cut it. For example, I can't draw perfect this curve, but when I cut it, I cut it more easily perfect. It's easy for me to cut than draw. Maybe you are like me, it's more easy to cut than to draw. I bend it a little bit. It's a little bit longer. This part will not influence the pattern because it's on the waist, but if you want exactly here, draw the line and we have a little bit I hope you understand what I am doing. Here we have a little bit this surface. I will cut it. So you can use this line or the other one or the first, it doesn't matter. This one I use it when I sew the shoulders and I choose to not sew the shoulders. I use this line. See, I'm not drawing perfect. And for the back I will make another line. I will cut the face. Let's cut this side. If you cut the shoulders, you need to sew the material, so I don't want to sew the shoulders. Now bend the pattern, draw the exterior, press the paper, draw the exterior. On the back I don't want such a deep curve, just on the half. On the back I want the shirt to be more longer than the face. This is the line of the t-shirt without a curvy line. So the face is, if you want a curved surface, on the back, if you want to be the same, just repeat this line, but I want the t-shirt on the back to be much longer. This is the sew line. This line here is this line, and when I measure, I want to be something like this, much longer than the face. So I put this point and I want the curve to be something like this. If you take a cap You will see that include these points, but I noticed that the curve is not that I want, is too much too curvy, and when the pattern came on the doll will be not evident that this is a curve. So I want something more inside, something like this. If you don't like it, erase, so it will be easy with some oval to make the shape. So you need to put, and I don't want to be so flat here. I see that is not so good, so I will use this side flat, and I will put the surface how I want to be the backline. This one is much better than this one. You can use also this one if you like. If you like, you can do much longer. On this case, you need to find a surface that is something like this to put it. I'm gonna use this line. Even you can make it a V, it doesn't matter, but today I will use this line, and for the neck this line, and now let's cut the back. This is the pattern. Here I have 1 and more than half. Here on the face the collar is 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and half. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. From the shoulders to the waistline, 8 centimeters. 2 squares. This is 1 centimeter. And on the back line, this is the waistline, and I have 2.5 centimeters. This is 5 squares. On the back, the lowest point of the collar is 1 centimeter, 2 squares. You need to use a stretch material. Transfer the pattern on the material. I cut the lines. We need to sew only the lateral sides. I sew with up and down stitches. A label. I'm gonna make again a heart. I will cut again on the interior. The shirt, put a piece of cartoon inside, glue the label on the shirt, take nail polish, apply it on the exterior. Take another polish, take the label off. Now I'm gonna take a nail art pen, 3D nail art pen. It to dry. This is the shirt. Bye guys!